Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. So today I have another makeover video for you guys, and we have our model here, Ashley Burgess, and we're going to be doing a protective style, a realistic lace closure install, and as you see, she's fully natural. She's 4C, and I'm going to be showing you her before and after, so keep watching. One great tip before you begin on a person of natural hair, especially a person with 4C hair, is always good to have their hair nice and moisturized before you start. So what I like to do is keep a spray bottle by my station, and I spray them up with water. And all we're doing is just getting that hair nice and moist. It makes it a little bit more pliable and easier to manage and work with. I also like to go in with a spray and leave-in conditioner of your choice. And then once we've done that, we can begin with the blow drying process. Hey you guys, so we've completed her braid down. We went ahead and secured it with a net just to add a little bit more protection to her hair. And we're also going to begin sewing. We're going to start with our SL Raw version here. It's going to be in Natural Wavy, and it's 16 inches. And we're going to be installing this today on Miss Ashley. And it did come with a closure, natural wavy, free part, and we went ahead and bleached the knots as well. Alright you guys, so we've completed sewing in all the wefted hair. So we did have some hair left over. As you see, we didn't use all of it. And it was only 2 bundles. And the closure. This closure is completely sewn down. No glue was used. And once again, it's 2 bundles and a closure. This is the Indian Natural Wavy from the company SL Raw Virgin Hair. I'll be sure to put the link below. I'm just gonna let you guys see. So this particular install was specifically for a middle part, so that's most likely how we'll style it when she decides she just wants to style it free. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move on to the cutting. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten her hair out before we cut it, just so we can have a nice precision cut. I'm not gonna straighten it on camera, reason being I wanna go ahead and put my battery on a charger so you guys can be able to see the reveal. So
Hi, are you tired of your edges falling out? Are you tired of waking up and your hairstyle still on the pillow? Well, come to Stylist Lee. She'll get you right.